Welcome back, everyone. We're back here at Granville Christian Elementary. It seems like winter out there lately. We finally got some snow. There's snow and ice. Kids are wearing snow pants and snow boots and snow hats and snow mittens and snow gloves and all that good stuff. So we're happy to be back and tell you a little bit about what's been going on this week. Joined by a 5th grader today, Shane.
Hello.
Shane, tell us a little bit about something you've been learning lately at school.
We're learning how to divide fractions.
Okay. So what's the tricky part about dividing fractions?
Like you have to flip the numbers and then have to do like 1 times 1 and then the numerator times numerator.
Okay.
And then whatever that equals, you have to make it a whole number by timesing.
It's hard to explain,
Yeah.
isn't it? I know fractions are tough on their own, but
And there's so many things you can do with them.
right.
And actually, dividing and multiplying are easier than adding and subtracting.
How come?
Because in adding and subtracting, you have to find common denominators.
Yep.
And on multiplying, you don't. You can just time both numbers.
So you don't have to find a common denominator, but you're still having to work with multiples of a number. Okay. Well, it is a little tricky, but it's kind of a challenge and kind of fun. So it's definitely good stuff that you're going to need to know. When I came to get you today, your class was joined with the other 5th grade class, and you were learning about something very specific. Tell me about that.
We're learning about service dogs.
Okay.
Cause with a cause.
Okay.
And what service dogs are, like they help people with disabilities, like hearing problems. They can't see, they're blind, or like they're in a wheelchair. So the dogs will like learn how to pay attention to their client and go pick stuff up for them.
Okay. Cool. And you were joined by a special guest.
Mm-hmm.
Like you saw a service dog in real life right in front of you. Do you remember the service dog's name?
Loki.
Loki. So you got to hang out with Loki and see and hear a little bit about what that dog does.
Yeah,
Pretty cool.
And I learned that their naming system, like they have like different names. They have to have their first letter of their name all the same as like 11 or 10 dogs.
Gotcha. Interesting.
Like the L letter, the M letter, or something like that.
Gotcha. I didn't know that either. So I just learned something too. So that's great. Anything else you want to share with us? Any fun things happening that we need to know?
I think that's it.
All right. Well, thanks a lot for helping us out. Nice work. All right. Now I'm joined by 4th grader Zoe. Zoe, tell us a little bit about some of the things you were doing this week. So you learned something in math this week. What was that?
We learned long division.
Long division. So tell me about long division.
Well, you have to like divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down or bring up, or you get remainders sometimes.
Okay.
And there's like something to help you called DMSB, which is short for dividing, multiplying, subtracting, and bring down or up. And you can call it does McDonald's sell burgers or does monkeys sell bananas? And it helps you because you divide and you cross out divide, but you have to like do it more than one time. And if you can't put like a 2 into a 6, then you have to go to the next number, like, and maybe the next number is 7, so 27, how many 27s are in 6? Then you have to do every, like, divide, multiply, subtract, and bring up, like, 3 or 2 times.
All right. So there's a lot that goes into this. Have you guys had a lot of different practices?
Yeah.
A lot of different problems, a lot of different practice to get the hang of it. Good. I noticed you're wearing a unique costume today. Is it just you just decided to wear a costume today, or was something happening in your classroom?
Something happened.
Okay. What was that?
We earned dress up day and 2 snacks.
Oh.
And we got a snack in the morning and a snack in the afternoon. Like not in the afternoon, but like when school was almost done. So and and I'm wearing a unicorn costume.
That totally makes sense. Good. Anything else you want to share with us?
We made Christmas cookies with our buddies.
With your junior kindergarten buddies?
Yeah.
Awesome. Was it fun?
Yeah.
Good. Did you get to taste some of the cookies?
Yeah.
Perfect. That's all that counts. All right. Well, thanks for helping us out, Zoe. Have a great weekend. Great. All right. Now we're joined by a second grader. Tell everyone your name.
Olivia.
Olivia was going to tell us a little about some of the things she's been learning. So you were learning about the Christmas story, like a lot of our students, but you learned there's a Christmas story, but then we had to think like, well, how did people learn about this? How did word spread about this story? So you learned two specific things. Tell me one of those things.
So in the Bible we learned about the Greeks, and so for other people to learn about God, so some people went all the way to Turkey to talk to people about God, so they could learn, and so they could live their lives with God and go to heaven.
Good. All right. Very cool. And what did you learn in math? Measurement. So what were some of those skills?
Today we had to measure the door from the ground to the doorknob, the window, and a table.
Awesome. Anything else fun that was happening this week that we should know about?
We were reading about the Christmas tree ship, and we saw a little video of the boat down there
Okay.
in Lake Michigan still.
Cool. Awesome. Well, cool. Thanks for helping us out. Hope you have an awesome weekend. High five.